So we are back at Vivian Field Middle School to give you another bond construction update. As summer's out and summer school is in session, Jackson Construction has ramped up and protected the areas for students and staff to be in the building as we get to this next phase of summer work. Joining me from Jackson Construction is Jimmy Duran, who's going to give us an update of this next phase of work and where we are going.
Hey everybody, I'm Jimmy Duran with Jackson Construction. In the 6th grade hall, we are refreshing all the classrooms with paint, ceilings, and floors. We're adding also on the second floor some storefront openings, give it a whole brand new wide open look where everybody can look inside and outside, see what's going on, and get to that whole modern look to it. As we go downstairs to the bottom, we'll continue all the floor demo with brand new LVT throughout the whole school and ceiling grid and all new fixtures throughout.
For the new learning stair in 6th grade, we'll be moving 2 classrooms, both up and downstairs, installing a new pan staircase for access to the 2nd floor, along with a learning staircase. Students will learn from the digital media monitors and also use the space for social interaction and lunch.
The athletic upgrades include bathrooms, locker rooms, new showers. We have replaced some of the wood in both gyms for repair, stained the floor and repainted with vibrant colors and updated the logo. The library will receive full upgrades on floors, ceilings, and walls. We will have installed new 8 windows throughout the library to give it an open look and open feel to it. We're also adding 6 rooms for staff members to do more work and private tutoring sessions. And we're also extending the library with a new radius storefront opening on it. It gives it a whole new feel to it, a whole new open look for it.
Well, as you can see, our construction teams are working hard to get the campus ready for staff and students to return in the fall. I want to thank Jimmy and his team for their efforts, as well as our partners with Jackson Construction and Huckabee Architects. As always, thank you to the community for their support for this bond and all these other projects going on here in CFB.